Nearly 10 years ago, Canadians debated the ethics and science of embryonic stem cell research. Canadian legislation was enacted to prevent some abuses by researchers, such as the creation of embryos strictly for such research. But they allowed experimentation on already existing embryos. Such experimentation, however, inevitably means the death and destruction of these embryos for the use of their genetic material. After 10 years of destructive embryonic stem cell research, no successful treatments for any sicknesses have resulted, only the death of countless preborn children. The debates over stem cell research, however, are developing. What prompted support for and use of embryonic stem cells instead of adult stem cells 10 years ago was the pluripotency, or ability to develop into many different cell types, of embryonic stem cells. Adult stem cells are multipotent and more limited in their potential to differentiate. However, new technologies are developing that can resolve this limitation. Scientists have developed non-embryonic alternatives such as induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSC. An iPSC results from taking an adult stem cell and putting in genes that will make it behave like an embryonic stem cell. In fact, iPSC processes are now able to go from multipotent to pluripotent without actually even forming what is called an embryonic body. Some scientists argue that the future of the stem cell debate will be over different iPSC processes rather than between the effectiveness of embryonic stem cells versus adult stem cells. And this is especially the case now that adult stem cells have shown recent clinical successes. The physicians of a woman with incurable bone cancer were able to use some transplants from her own bone marrow to keep the cancer at bay. Since the doctor used the woman's own stem cells, there was no danger of rejection. However, these treatments are very expensive and not yet widely available. I encourage you to support ethical stem cell research instead of destructive embryonic stem cell research. And this means encouraging and also funding adult stem cell research. You can do this by keeping informed on recent developments by accessing the links on our website, priestsforlifecanada.com.